Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. Into this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable YouTube auto scroll or to make the play to be on auto scroll. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically the first thing would be is just like to go to your YouTube web app or mobile app, and then you will need just to enable the autoplay. And to do so, we need just to go to YouTube, then we need just to go to the profile, and basically we need to go to settings. So from the settings, we will find all these settings. And those are like the video and audio preferences. And one of them, we will find the audio quality preferences, playback, caption, etc. And basically, all we need to do now is just to go to the playback. So from here, we will find to autoplay next video, and that will allow you to start autoplaying to the next video when it is finished. And also you can have many other features. All you need to do is to make sure that it is enabled, and after that you will be needing or you will be able to start going on autoplay on YouTube videos or shorts, etc. So just wait for the shorts to finish, and basically that's it. And now all you need to do is just to start watching the shorts, and basically they will be on the autoplay. So this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.